Hello, this is Filipino in Texas. It's 1944.
Blizzard.
We're in Minsk.
And it obviously starts in Alaska.
This is my comrade. We pushed back the Germans about 100 kilometers from Moscow. Do you know what I mean?
No.
Yo, look at that. Never seen this
I
before.
feel like my glasses are now covered in snow.
I mean, to be fair, this is like the first snow in our house. So, look at this place.
I mean, does this snow flurries count?
What do you mean snow flurries?
Yeah, because like a long time ago, there was actually like snow flurries like a month ago.
I guess. But this is snow.
Like better
Not just some pathetic flurry.
That's not even that cold.
This place actually makes it feel like it's, what, the north? Ugh. Hey, look.
What the heck is that?
He's just vibing.
Look at this one.
It's cold. He's on his flip flops. This is like
Is that crazy?
this is like 1950 Korea.
What is this? What is this? What is this weird man just come out here with like little?
Man, full respect to the 100 and wait, crap, I forgot the regiment.
What?
It's the Filipinos that went to Korea and fight the North Koreans and the Chinese. They had to go through this weather, man. They slept, pooped, and
it
ate in this
sucked.
weather.
And it sucked.
And they fought like Chinese and North Koreans. They were outnumbered 40-1 in this type of conditions, man. Ugh.
It just sucks being
I
out.
want to go inside.
But like we decided to come out here because we're just gonna
Look at my hair. Look at all that dandruff.
It's all mostly on my hat.